Good evening. So we're out in the Peak District. It's October the 8th. I had to think there for a minute. Yeah, we're out for an overnighter. Crowden is just over there. And yeah, we've just come up, where is it, Crowden Brook. And that is where we're going to pitch for the night. So yeah, just over there is where we picked up some water. So yeah, it's a beautiful evening. So yeah, we've got all the Alpkit stuck with us tonight, and yeah, gonna have a chilled one. So it's just gone 5. I'm off the beaten track. So let's get the tent up. If that wind gets up, I don't think she's going anywhere. Only that, we've got some rocks just there, sheltering us, rocks there, and it is due to sort of come from the west. So we should be good. Right, let's get the rest of the kit in. Seat Summit compression dry bag. So looks big and bulky, but this is what I use to get everything that needs to stay dry in. So in here, oh, hang on. First things first, sleeping bag. So that's the Alpkit Pipe Dream 400. That's about comfort of -6, so that'll keep me warm tonight. 2 pillars, one what's that, Trekology, and 1 Seat Summit, so I'm comfy. Big Alpkit down jacket, what is it, Phantom, or don't know, but yeah, big one, not sort of a micro battle one. And then all my clothes as well. All of that lot fits into there, goes in the bottom of the bag. Don't need to touch it until you get to camp, and it does work, does keep everything dry. So I've been out in chucking down rain, yeah, and it has stayed dry. Everything else has got wet, but not that. Right, so all the other bits and bobs, tissues, some juice, some bars for breakfast. Picked up a couple of litres of water from the brook from Crowden, so that should do that. Naan bread to go with curry, bottle of juice, stick that there, steak. So a simple 650 Alpkit Mai Tai pot with the Alpkit Cora stove. Gas bottle. A little bit of a snack. Towel for drying. Pan for cooking curry. Coffees and a tablet bar. Little windshield. Foldable cutlery is in there as well. So that's all in. So that is my cook kit as such. A couple of carrier bags for rubbish or whatever is needed. And then electrics, we have a couple of new goodies. Still got the little radio, but we also have the Alpkit soundbite. It's a lantern plus Bluetooth speaker. Pretty good. So we also have the Alpkit Glow 170. We've got a head torch, phone charging lead. We've also got the little Alpkit 5000 milliamp battery pack, which is cool. Built-in micro USB, and on the other side, this one is that C-type? And then of course USB, 100 grams, so perfect for an overnighter. What else we got? Old iPod, pair up with a Bluetooth, some spare batteries, that's it. That's what we got. So we'll be trying out the old Bluetooth tonight. We've got plenty of light for filming, cooking, whatever. So that can sit there. Right, I'm going to stick a brewer on. Right guys, as you can see, got the big coat on now, so yeah, the temperature's dropping, but it's still nice and still. But yeah, sun's gone down, so I think we'll get dinner on the go, and then we'll probably hit the sack. But yeah, no, really nice evening so far. So yeah. Not a cloud in the sky hardly, so it's going to be cold, but yeah, see your breath already. But, yeah. And there is dinner done, so I'm going to tuck in. Okay, so dinner is done, and we are yeah, we're in the tent. It's probably about 9 o'clock now. So as you can see, the old sound bite, it's got a really good torch on it. So yeah, well pleased with that. But yeah, we ain't had hot chocolate yet. We're gonna get changed, get into bed gear, and I'll probably do it then, have it then. But yeah, so anything happens, we'll bring you back. If not, we'll see you in the morning. Good morning. God, bear. Get out of the way. Alright. Hopefully you can hear me. So yeah, as predicted, the wind did pick up. So it's got to be blowing sort of 20, gusting 30, maybe 40 sometimes. But look at the tent. Just sits there, not moving an inch. So fully guide out obviously. But yeah, not a problem with it. And the wind is actually coming at the front. So yeah, it's not even hitting it on its best side. But yeah, the door is taking all the brunt of it. Yeah, it's probably about 20 to 8 now. I ain't had a coffee yet. I'm debating whether just to pack up and get down. Once I get out of the wind, probably just stop and brew somewhere, or just straight back to the car and get one there. But yeah, it is bitter. So yeah, autumn has definitely arrived. So right, we'll bring you back later. Better, but yeah, it's bitterly cold, so we're going to head back to ringing Roger or somewhere over there and drop down into Edale. So yeah, my hands are freezing now, so I'll get my gloves on, we'll head off. So yeah, let's get on it. Over there is top of Grindsbrook. That there is Grindslow Knoll. Skirt around the bottom, drop down into Edale. Still very windy, but sun's out, so it's all good. A little less windy down here, so that is Grindslow Knoll, and you can just make out that there is sort of ringing Roger. So yeah, up over, yeah, it comes up this way. So yeah, we're getting there. But yeah, it's starting to getting lower. Take the old big down jacket off and yeah, chuck that in the bag and just keep the old windproof on. So right, let's have a slurp as well for 5 minutes. Right, we're almost down now, so we'll wrap this one up here. So yeah, please hit the subscribe button. And yeah, we're trying to get out a bit more, but yeah, work and family is getting in the way, so there's always stuff to do. But yeah, till the next one.